Hi there, it's Scott Matthew from First Choice Safety Training Consultancy. What I wanted to do on this short video was give you an intro into using doors in the event of a fire. So most people are aware that in places like businesses, shops, cinemas, offices, those sorts of things, that people will often have fire doors fitted. Now, fire doors are different to normal doors. Fire doors will have self-closers. They'll be made of more rigid structure and they will give you a 30-minute protection with some of the stuff that they have on a fire door. But when it comes to standard doors that you get in normal people's homes, we still recommend closing those because they will still give you a level of protection. So a fire door, that will give you a minimum of 30 minutes protection. Dependent on the type of building, it can be more. But in the standard home, just by closing your normal door when you go to bed, it will protect you from the fire and most of the smoke for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So if we had a fire in the living room and we closed the living room door before we went to bed, then chances are some smoke will get past the living room door, set off the smoke alarm, but we'd still have plenty of time to get our family down the stairs and get out through the front or back door. Keep the fire contained to an area just by closing the door and hopefully give everyone else the best possibility of escaping from that room. So what we would advise you to do is part of your nighttime routine when basically you start to get ready for bed is close doors on the way to bed and making sure that should a fire occur somewhere, you give yourself and your family the best opportunity of escaping out of your building. We know that there's some homes that like to leave the doors open so that dogs and cats can roam or so that they can hear kids cry if need be. But obviously we're going to try and advise on best practice is that the more doors you close, the better chance you would have of getting to your escape route, which is usually your hallway, and getting out of either the front or the back door. So many thanks for watching our video today. What we'd like you to do is comment, post, like, share it. If there's anyone else that you feel would get benefit from it, feel free to tag them in. And likewise, if there's anything else that you'd want us to cover that may be beneficial to you, please do get in touch. That's Scott from First Choice Safety Training Consultancy.